and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today, as we will introduce you our innovation in kitchenware, our silicone glass lid with steam release design. So at Ningbo Berrific, we are committed to creating products that enhancing the cooking experience, and our new silicone glass lid is no exception. So this lid is designed to revolutionize the way you cook, provide both functionality and style in one elegant package. So first of all, let's talk about the material. So our silicone glass lid is made from high quality, food grade silicone that is not only durable and heat resistant, but also safe for use in the kitchen. So the transparent glass center allows you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid, ensure your food is cooked to perfect at every time. And now let's dive into the innovation feature of the lid. So first of all, we strategically placed the vent, this little thing, on the glass center to allow the steam to escape, preventing messy boil overs and ensure your food retains the perfect level of moisture. But that's not all the story. We also incorporate a steam release design on the silicone rim. So as you can see here, at the surface, we put a little mark here to mention up this is for release design. And at backwards, you can see there is a little U shape here. So if you just put the plate on the pot or pans, then this little like U shape, where it is now? This is little U shape can allow the steam to get away from your pot or pan. So the dual steam release system can ensure that the steam is efficiently released from all areas of the pot or pan and preventing the build-up excessive pressures. So this combination of vented glass center and also the steam release design on the silicone rim set our lid apart from all other traditional lids. It's not only making the cooking more convenient and safer, and it also can enhance the overall cooking experience. And in addition to the practical benefit, our silicone glass lid is also designed with aesthetic in mind. The sleek, modern design complements any kitchen decor. It's definitely a must-have for your kitchen. And as you can see, this color is kind of like elegant blue color. And we also can customize any color you want. So you can see here, we also have the orange one, pink one, red one, and if you want any color like gray or blue or gray or black, anything, you just name the color, and then we will kind of like making a sample and can finally incorporate in our production. So whether you are stewing, saucing, or steaming, our silicone glass lid are perfect companion for your kitchenware. So all in all, our silicone glass lid and also its dual steam release system are the game changer in the kitchen. It's combined functionality, style, and safety in one way that traditional lid cannot. We are confident that once you experience our lid and the performance of our lid, then you will wonder how you ever cook without it. So thank you for your time, and we invite you to experience the difference by yourself. And here in Ningbo Berrific, we are redefining the art of cooking.